you spoke her name. Knew my heart would never feel the same. I held you close, but I felt you drift. Loving you was my heart's heaviest gift. I chose to step back, though it tore me in two. 'Cause your happiness meant more than my love for you. I let you go for love, though it broke me inside. Watch you walk away with tears I couldn't hide. Your smile haunts me in the quiet of my pain. In this sad mode, I'm lost in the rain. Your laughter echoes in the corners of my soul, a melody that's left me less than whole. Oh, I see you thriving in a world I'll never know. But letting you go was the hardest love to show. I gave you freedom, though it chained my heart. Now I'm picking up the pieces where we fell apart. I let you go for love, though it broke me inside. Watch you walk away with tears I couldn't hide. Your smile haunts me in the quiet of my pain. In this sad mode, I'm lost in the rain. I'd do it all again, just to see you shine. Even if it means your heart's no longer mine. But every night I dream of what we could have been, a love I set free, but still lives within. I let you go for love, though it broke me inside. Watch you walk away with tears I couldn't hide. Your smile haunts me in the quiet of my pain. In this sad mode, I'm lost in the rain. So I'll carry this ache where your love used to be, a selfless wound that's forever part of me. In this sad mode, I'll learn to survive, letting you go for love, to keep you alive.